Hello everyone, welcome back to another FSD beta video. We are on 4.4 version 11 and we're doing some unprotected lefts in residential areas. I've mixed up my my residential area test. I changed it up a little bit, made it a little bit more difficult, hopefully. Let's see how FSD is gonna go. Previously FSD used to do this route and it used to have some mistakes, but lately it's been doing really well. That's why I haven't been doing it much, but hopefully this new residential route that I've picked for it, hopefully it'll be a little bit more challenging. What I'm going to do actually is I am on assertive, but I will bump down my autopilot speed to 0 so that there is no delta, and then we can make it fair and square for FSD. Hope you folks enjoy this video, and please don't forget to hit like on the video, and please subscribe to my channel for my upcoming videos coming up. I will be doing some more testing on 4.4, and we'll be doing some roundabout tests and complex left turns and unprotected left turns as well in downtown Calgary. I might be also throwing in there another downtown test, depending on if we still have 4.4 by then. It looks like they're pumping out these updates very quick. So let's see how this stop sign goes over here. So complete stop, and then goes ahead. Oh, very nice. Okay, I thought I was going to wait for the car across. I was almost getting very close to intervening there, but there was no intervention required. Very nicely handled. Noticed as well that it changed lanes very quick over there to follow route. There was a slight phantom brake, which is not really great for the car that is behind me, to be honest. So we've got the green light over here, and it's pretty clear, so we're good to go. Here we are coming up to left turn. Let's see how it handles this one. And we can see some traffic coming up across. And we are actually that was really good. I really found that really good. Okay, so I'm gonna circle around over here because this is our waypoint, and I'll be doing another left turn, and we'll be heading for the next waypoint. Stay tuned. Okay, so we've got the green light now. Slight hesitation there. It proceeded for a bit, but then braked, just because of that car turning in. But yeah, we shouldn't really be doing that. But okay, that was good. I'm gonna bump down the speed over here just for the construction zone. It does actually detect it, but I just wanted to do it a little bit ahead of time. Alright, so a nice projection over there of the trajectory and a signaling to enter. Okay, so it's a flashing green light that should proceed over here. I'm going to give it a tap just because it's slowing down in the middle of the intersection. Picking a very weird lane over here. Yeah, so that wasn't really good. I don't know what's with this obsession of choosing a certain lane to turn into, and I feel like it's interjecting with the flow of the turn as well. It kind of picked up speed and then braked and then picked up speed again. So I saw this behavior in 4.3. It's not a really good one, especially if there's a car that's right behind you on your rear and it's trying to follow you. Let's see if this detects this 30 kilometer speed zone. No, it doesn't, so I'm going to slow down here. Did not detect 30 kilometer playground zone. Alright, another intervention to bump up the speed. I'm probably just going to try and get it to go straight over here. Here we go. It's limiting the speed to 40, but it is actually 30, so I am going to reduce it further down. lot of jerkiness over here. Lot of jerkiness. Let's see how it deals with the situation over here. I wish it was just giving it a little bit more space than getting too close. I think that's the assertive profile playing. We're still seeing this behavior where it drives behind parked cars on unmarked lanes or unmarked roads. Yeah, we can bump up our speed again over here. Alright, so on this intersection we have a yield sign, so we're not required to come to a complete stop, but it still does it, and it's in the back of that road, and we're not checking for traffic over here. Yeah, it's not really checking its right, so I'm not really happy with that, but I did do a quick spin around and check while it's doing that. So yeah, that has to be a disengagement, to be honest. But I was just trying to see if there's a car coming up, how's it going to interact with that. There's another stop over here. It's stopping way in the back. And then stopping again over here. Well, it's creeping forward, to be honest, and it's going to... It should be able to go over here. It's very, very slow, very hesitant. Okay, and now we should be catching this left turn over here. Is that right? Or, oh no, actually we're going straight ahead. Sorry about that. And I slow down here because I can't really see the traffic light, but that's not really required because we're right in the front and we're right behind the RV, so we should be able to do that. Signals over here to take this left turning lane. Oh yeah, this is going to be a smooth sailing one. There's not much incoming traffic coming up from the other side, so yeah, there we go. Alright, so we are arriving to our destination over here. So I am going to just disengage for a brief moment and then hit the continue trip. Yeah, let's see how this goes. So this is our last waypoint over here. Very hesitant here. There's no... It's not an intersection. It kind of thinks it's an intersection, but it's not. Very nicely done around this weird looking roundabout kind of thing. Alright, we've got the green light. Technically we should wait for that car to proceed. Yeah, it does signal finally in the end, and we do actually commit. Yeah, that's good. So at the beginning the car was not signaling to turn, so it was thinking that it's going to come right ahead of us. So it was slowing down for that, but once it started signaling and doing that turn, then we were good to proceed. So yeah, very good. So yeah, no disengagements. I expected that, but again, like there's a few places I could have disengaged where we blew that yield sign, or like, you know, semi blew this yield sign. We kind of stopped for it, but not enough visibility to ensure that it's safe to proceed. So yeah, I wasn't happy with that, but yeah, we'll see how it goes with this new route of residential test series that I have on YouTube. So if you folks like this one, please let me know in the description below or in the comments below. And please, yeah, hit me up with any suggestions if you need as well. Again, there's a few more videos coming up on 4.4 that I'm excited about. Please continue to follow me and have the notification on. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one. I'll let you guys see this last drive all the way back home or back to my area, and yeah, you'll be able to enjoy that as well. But I'll keep it on fast forward over here. So I hope you folks like this one, and have a nice day. very slow approach to this yield. It's clear to go, so we should be fine. A lot of confusion over here. We've seen that before. Not so great. Should be more smooth. This is another tricky intersection where there's the stop sign and then there's cross traffic. We're completely blocked now on the right hand side. And now that it's clear, we can see and proceeds. Excellent. Thank you folks for watching. See you in the next one. Have a nice day.